Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. What is mortgage underwriting? Who are these underwriter people anyway? It's kind of like the Apple iCloud. Like, who are they? Stay tuned. Okay, we're back. What is a mortgage underwriter? So, jokingly, I say that underwriters are like the police, and they are. They are the ones that are keeping everybody following the rules, okay? So they are usually, let me tell you the qualities of an underwriter. They love paperwork. They're really good with detail. They've been usually in the mortgage industry a minimum of 10 years because they have to really understand so many things about the process. So this is, more or less, okay? 10 years, usually a very seasoned person. They've usually been in many other positions within a mortgage company and seen many different facets of the transaction. So an underwriter is the very last stop and level of security for a company to make sure that they don't make a bad loan. Make sure that they don't make a loan that later the clients are going to default. That's the number one concern of a lender. I'm just going to cut to it. We're talking again about what is mortgage underwriting. Underwriters are protecting the company's interest to make sure that we don't make a loan that later the clients are going to default. It's minimizing the risk that there's default and foreclosure in the future. That's bottom line. So underwriters, what they do on a daily basis is they read guidelines, and they read guidelines. So there's guidelines from Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and FHA. We've talked in other videos about what is a conventional loan, what is an FHA loan. So there's guidelines, right, that we all have to, you can call them like laws, similar to laws in a society. These are laws of mortgage, okay? So there are deviations to the laws. So the underwriters underwrite to make sure they review the loan to make sure that this particular borrower follows the guidelines of the rules that have been set. Now, obviously, a lot of decisions are made that are objective. There's some clients that are in a gray area, and it could go this way or it could go this way as far as the type of documentation that's provided, the explanation letters that are written. Without a doubt, the underwriters have to verify income, assets, credit, deviations to all of those things. So that's what the underwriters do to make sure that the loan meets the requirements, okay? And so I started in this business in 1995, back when much more was left to the individual person. Fast forward to 2020, this is being made in 2020. Things are very automated, credit score and debt to income ratio, but there is still human interaction to, again, deal with those issues that are in the gray area. So that's what the underwriters do. They in this very digital world, they offer this human touch, makes sense, staying within the guidelines, staying in the lane, and that's what they do. I hope you have found this helpful, and I'll talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.